yeah.
Jay wants a tour of the living room.
Well, I tried to put some of my old song in there, and
I
forgot my own words. Yeah,
They're funny.
He wrote one called from the
If You Love Someone.
If You Love Someone, and it goes right along with the Will the Circle Be Unbroken, because it says because if you love someone, tell them now, because it'll never be heard in the stillness of the grave.
That's right.
Really great song too, and it goes so good with that one. So he makes
Pop put
kind
his
of a
guitar
medley
down.
out of it.
Oops.
Does his own arrangement with it.
Do
We
you
do,
believe too? Oh, I like your
The Midnight
name.
Jamboree sometimes here in Nashville. That's on every Saturday night at midnight on WSM radio.
we hope.
And he does the tribute to his uncle.
I'm going
who
to
was
follow
on his
you,
stuff.
Lucretia.
Well, honey,
We have the same last name.
Message, or where are you going?
No, I've got to go get me some coffee and
No.
stretch my legs.
Well, we're
sitting there.
just going to just say
We'll
bye-bye
And my
for
fingers
now,
are sore.
and we will get back with you.
We'll try to
later.
come back.
God bless. Love you all so much. Follow us,
Absolutely.
and we'll follow you back, and we'll get to know
I'm going
you.
to fill this cup
Tell
up.
us where you're from.
So, God bless everybody. We love you all. And y'all are so special, don't you?